What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying my videos. Today we are coming back with a new haircut, inverted layers. I hope you like it. Keep watching till the end to see the final result, and believe me, it's a beautiful haircut and it's easy to follow. The section very simple, just section from the center of the head all the way back, and here I'm taking the second section from the occipital bone. I'm keeping my elevation low, and I'm going to do this haircut with the point cutting technique. So I'm not gonna cut a blunt, I'm gonna do point cutting technique. As you see, follow the steps so you get the same result. Don't wander and don't overwork it in your head. It's very simple. Keep your elevation low, and you see my body position very square behind the back, and I'm cutting very square, but I'm using the point cutting technique. Very simple, very easy. The second section, I'm gonna take it more above, close to the crown area, all the way to the front. So you see how this, I'm taking my section, very easy, and the rest of the hair, I just move it away. The same things from the crown area. On the other side, I section all the way to the front, and the rest of the hair I push it away. So very important to understand body position. Body position is everything. So I am in behind the back, and I'm over directing, like I'm pulling the hair from the side and the front all the way back to me, and I am cutting on a low elevation with the point cutting technique to give this shattery edge, like wispy ends. I don't want to cut blunt, so I'm trying to create this wispy effect on the perimeter. So you see how over direct everything's from the side and the front all the way back to me, so I'm staying behind the back, the head, sorry. So now what we're gonna do, we take it from the apex area all the way behind the ear, and we are going to pull the hair forward. But you see my angle, so now here I'm trying to show you my angle, my elevation. It's not too high, not too low, so the way you see it, I'm showing you in the video, and I'm taking my guideline from the lower side of the section. You see how it is, and I'm pulling it forward with diagonal, and here I'm cutting from short to long. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little piece from the other side and little piece from the previous section. So I take my guideline, and here I create my guideline for this side, and then I will follow my guideline. I'm gonna do the same things. Take it from the apex diagonal section to behind the ear, and over direct to the front. Keep my angle like kind of in a diagonal, and you see my elevation is not too high, not too low, just kind of a little bit in like a medium elevation, and I'm following my guideline, the one I took it from the previous cut or previous section. So that's it, and now you can see from short to long. Very easy, very simple. Now we are going to move to the next step. Look what I'm gonna do from above the apex, the occipital bone. I'm gonna section on both sides. Here, like above the apex, lower than the crown area, you see kind of, and you see I separated it. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna take section from the center, and the fringe area, this is my shortest piece. I'm gonna cut in a diagonal. This is my, what we call it, the guideline. The shortest piece is gonna be the guideline. And see how my hands is a little bit an angle, so we're gonna cut short to long. Here we go. Perfect. That's simple. Now I let half the section goes away, and I keep going. You see how I'm angling my hand, so the more I move toward the back, the longer the hair is. From short in the front, longer to the back, to the crown area. This is my guideline I'm creating right now. Now look how I'm gonna take a diagonal section, but I am right now behind the back, so everything I'm gonna pull it back to me, so everything's gonna come back to me. Look, my elevation, this is my guideline, and I cut. Perfect. Try to not take so much hair. Every time you take your section, keep your section small. Don't take so much hair. So look how over direct everything's to me. And I see my guideline and I cut on it. If I don't see my guideline, I don't cut anything. I comb again, because comb is everything's consistency with combing is everything's in the haircut. You have to remember the scissor doesn't make the haircut. The scissors just cut the hair. What makes the haircut is combing, consistency and clean section, what create the shape. So I keep going toward the front till I run out of hair. So as you see, I'm taking in a diagonal shape, I'm combing all the way back to me, over everything back to me, and I'm following my guideline, and this is how I'm creating those inverted layers, or this inverted layers. Believe me, it's very glamorous haircut, it's gorgeous. So keep watching till the end. This is the final result. And I'm gonna do on the other side the same thing. I'm gonna speed up the video so I don't make it very long, and I'm gonna see you in a minute, guys. So keep watching. So this is the final look, guys. This is the look 1, and now in a second you're gonna see the look 2. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, share the video, and see you in a new video, and ciao for now.